My name is Hassan Ali. I am from Group 9. Today our topic for presentation is muscles of lower back. I will explain you about inserting points, sartorius muscles inserted at femurs. Then we have psoas minors, which inserted at lesser trochanter's of femur. Psoas major also inserted at lesser trochanter's of femur. Then we have adductor magnus, which inserted at Lena spera. Then we have adductor longus, which also inserted at Lena spera. Now I will tell you some actions of thigh muscles. All thigh muscles have almost same actions, but they are.
Next is gluteus medius. Its origin is lateral surface of ilium between gluteal lines, and its insertion is as same as gluteus maximus, and its action is its abducts thigh, and anterior part of gluteus medius rotates thigh medially, and posterior part of gluteus medius rotates thigh laterally, and it also innervates through superior gluteal lines and nerves. Next is gluteus minimus. Its region is dorsum ilium between gluteal lines, and its insertion is as same as gluteus medius, and its action is it abducts thigh and rotates. It rotates thigh medially, and it's also innervates through superior gluteal lines.
My name is Javla Khan. I am from Group 9. Today I will explain the femur muscle. It is hamstring muscle. The first muscle is bicep femoris. Its origin means starting point. It has two starting points. First starting point is ischial tuberosity, and the second starting point is at the distal point of femur. It has the insertion point at the distal point. The insertion of it is the head of the fibula and tibia, and it has the function to extend knee and action. The action is to extend knee and extend. The action of first muscle is to extend thigh and flexes knee, and it has a nerve, sciatic nerve pass through it. The second muscle is semitendinous. It has also the same. It has also the same origin, the ischial tuberosity, and it end at the proximal end of tibia, and it also performs the same function, extend thigh and flexes knee. The nerve pass through the second muscle is sciatic nerve, and the third muscle that has present in femur is semimembranous muscle. It has the same origin, ischial tuberosity, and the insertion of point is the proximal end of tibia, and it extends thighs and flexes knee. It has also the same nerve, sciatic nerve. The fourth muscle is popliteus muscle, and its origin is from femur, and its insertion is proximal tibia, and the action is to unlock the thigh and knee. Or the nerve pass through the popliteus is tibial nerve, and the rest of muscles will be explained by Humayun.
Here I am going to explain the next muscles. The next muscle is rectus femoris muscle. Its origin is anterior inferior iliac spine and superior margin of acetibulum. Its function is to extend the knee, and it is innervated by femoral nerve. The next muscle is vastus lateralis muscle. Its origin is greater trochanteral line and linea spera. Its function is to extend and stabilize the knee. It is also innervated by femoral nerve. The next muscle is vastus medialis muscle. Its origin is linea spera and The next muscle is vastus medialis. The next muscle is vastus medialis muscles. Its function is to stabilize the knee and patella, and its origin is linea spera and introtrochanteric line. And the next muscle is vastus intermedius muscle. Its origin is The next muscle is vastus intermedius muscles. Its origin is the lateral surface of proximal femur, and it is also innervated by femoral nerve. and its function knee. And rectus femoris, vastus lateral, vastus medialis, two vastal intermediate muscles. They all have same insertion points, which is patella and tibial tuberosity by patella ligament.
Group 9A, my topic is foot movers, and first is anterior tibialis anterior. Origin: anterior condyle and upper 2/3 of shaft. Second is insertion: interior surface of medial cuneiform. Third is nerve insertion, deep fibular nerve, and last is function: inward foot. Fibularis longus, head and upper portion of lateral fibula, and second is insertion, first materials, and third is in the nerve insertion, superficial fibular nerve, and last is keep foot flat and on ground, and the fourth is gastrocnemius. And first is origin by two heads from medial and lat, and second is condyle post calcaneus viva and clinical tendon, and nerve insertion is tibial nerve. Is plantar flexus foot when knee is extended, this is function, and second last is soleus superior tibia fibula and infrosseous membrane, and the second is insertion post calcaneus via and calcaneal tendon, and insertion tibial nerve, and last is function plantar flexus foot.